Hey everybody, it's Neil, and in my organizing world that I'm trying to get into, I got these here. And these are for storing, like file storage, and you can hang them on the wall or whatnot. I'm going to use it actually for some of my 3D printing stuff, so I can put different things as I'm going along in there. So I'll probably store some of my filaments and whatnot, and paperwork for it as well. So let's show you guys what I have here and how it is. So here's the instructions for it. So it looks like it's basically screw it into the wall. So I'll show you what you get here. You get the hooks. So these are actually hooks, so you can hook them all together if you want to chain them together. And it comes with the screws to screw them into the wall as well. So these are some hooks so you can hang stuff from it. And then it comes with the screws, and it comes with the little anchors. So let's show you all what it looks like here. So these are them. It's nice, and oh, look at that. This one comes with the little hook at the bottom of it, so that's pretty nice. So you screw it in up through here and here, and then you have your thing here. It's pretty solid. I mean, I'm squeezing it here. It's not going anywhere. If I have something, this is probably 8.5 by 11. It'll fit in there. It fits in there pretty fine. So that would be good if you want to hang these up here in a classroom thing or something like that. So it looks like you could. That's not going to go there. It would just be like hanging them up like this. So you can hang 1, 2, and then the bottom one does not have the hooks on the bottom. So then you would be able to hang all 3 like that and hang it up on something. I mean, I don't know, not there. Can you guys see up here? Maybe if I put it on here, oops, hit there. I could have, a 3. I'll aim you up a little bit. There. So, you mean if I put it onto this, it would just hang up with the first one, and then they would all be hung up. So you really only need to make 2 holes if you want to hang this up. So pretty cool. I like this. And you can even write things on there or put little stickers on those. So really nice. It comes apart when you want to. If this one's screwed in, this one's not going to come apart that easy. But you get the idea. These are really nice. And you get a set of 3. So you could even separate them out into 3 separate ones and then use them and hang things in the bottom. But the good thing, you also have these hooks as well, so you could hang it from something else. Even if you wanted to just hang this from something else, you could hang this onto something else and not have any holes. So got a lot of different options with this. It's really nice. I like it, so thumbs up for me.